In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge documents in DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to combine separate files into one clean, organized document without any confusion. First, open your browser and head to docub.com. Sign into your account so you can access your files. If you're using DocHub at work or school, make sure you're logged into the correct account so the right documents appear. Once you're in, go to your dashboard or the Documents page. You want to be looking at your list of uploaded files. If you don't see the files you plan to merge, double check that they've been uploaded to DocHub first and that you're in the correct folder or workspace. Now select the documents you want to merge. Hover your mouse over each file's thumbnail and click the checkbox in the top left corner. Choose at least 2 documents, but you can select more if you're combining several. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct versions. Consistent naming can really help here. After you've made your selections, a menu will appear across the top of the page. Click the option labeled Merge. In some layouts, you might see it shown as Combine. It's the same feature. This opens a merge window that displays all the pages or documents you selected. Here you can arrange the order before creating your combined file. Drag and drop pages or entire documents to place them exactly where you want them to appear. Think about how a reader will move through the final PDF. Put the cover or title page first, follow with the main content, and move any appendices or extras to the end. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails so you don't accidentally duplicate or misplace a page. When you're happy with the order, click Merge or Create Combined Document. DocHub will process your selection and generate a new merged file. This usually only takes a moment depending on the size and number of pages. The new merged document will appear in your documents list. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Something like Project Proposal Merged works well. From here, you can export or download it as a PDF if you need to share it or store it offline. If you plan to keep working on it in DocHub, the renamed file will stay in your list for easy access. That's it. You opened DocHub, selected your files, merged them, arranged the order, and saved the finished document. Thanks for watching, and happy merging.